Hello children, back to our class. Now in this video we will understand about the sum of the measures of exterior angles of polygon, and we will start our exercise 3.2 also. Now children, see, when you add all the exterior angles of the polygon, the answer will be equal to 360 degree. Remember, when the sum of interior angles you have to find, then you have to use the formula, that is n minus 2 into bracket 180 degree. But if the question is what is the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon, then it is equal to 360 degree. Now with the help of the shape, I will make you understand about exterior and interior angle. Now see, this is a shape, a straight line when we are drawing from one side extending to the left and right. The outside bracket which you can see, outside angle which you can see, that is the exterior angle. The inside angle which you can see, it is interior angle. So if you want to find here the exterior angle, how you can find? It is forming a linear pair. Let's suppose this is not given, it is x. So interior and exterior angle, when you add interior angle and exterior angle, when you add, it is equals to 180 degree, as it will form a linear pair. Remember this, because in the next exercise we are going to use this formula. Okay, so interior angle is 120 degree, exterior angle is not given, it will be equal to 180 degrees. So x equal to 180 minus 120, that is equals to 60 degree. So by this formula you can get the answer of, if exterior angle is given, you can get the answer of interior angle. If interior angle is given, you can get the answer for exterior angle. Now coming to exercise 3.2, before that we will understand one formula. Now what is that formula says? First it is saying the exterior angle of a polygon is an angle that forms a linear pair with the one of the angles of the polygon. Here 2 is the exterior angle which forms linear pair with the interior angle, that is angle 1. Now see, here it is written the formula, that is sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree, right? But if you want to find each exterior angle, okay, so what you will do, the formula will be 360 degree upon n, but condition is it has to be a regular polygon only, then only you can get the answer. So if you are not able to understand like this way, you just write it down like this way: exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon the number of sides. Okay, sum of all angles, exterior angle is 360. When you want to find each exterior angle, then you divide with the number of sides. 360 and number of sides you divide, you will get the answer. Let's suppose the number of sides you want to find and each exterior angle is given. So what you will do, how you can get the answer? Here it will be what? When you want to find the number of sides, then it will be equal to 360 degree upon each exterior angle. So these two formulas you memorize properly, because in exercise 3.2 we are going to solve the sums on the basis of these two formulas only. Now coming to exercise 3.2 children, the first question, we have to find the value of x. Two shapes are given. First it is a triangle, exterior angles are 125, 125 and another is x. Second one, here it is a quadrilateral. Now first we will find the value of the x for figure number first. So the number of, here sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equals to what? 360 degree. So when you add 125 degree, 125 degree and the third angle x equal to 360 degree. When you add 125, 125, it is 250 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. So x is equals to 110 degree. Now we will move towards our second question. Second question, here you have to find the value of x. Let's suppose this is A, B, C and D. Now children, see, angle A is given, this is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 90 degree, angle D is 70, and here angle E we have to find it out. So how many number of sides are there here? 5. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equals to 360 degrees. So what you will do, just add all the exterior angles. So it will be what? 60 degree, 90 degree, 70 degree plus x plus 90 equal to 360 degree. So it is 310 plus x is equals to 360 degrees. So x value is equals to 50 degree. Now we will move towards our second question. Second question says that find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon. This means what? The sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree, right? But each exterior angle we have to find it out when the number of sides are given. So what is the formula? You know very well. It is equals to, here each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon the number of sides. So this is the formula. First question, 9 sides are there. So when you use the formula, it is 360 degree upon 9, which is equals to 40 degree. So each exterior angle is equals to 40 degree. Next, when the number of sides are 15, that time it is what? 360 degree upon 15. So answer of each exterior angle will be equal to 24 degree. Now question number 3 that we will solve, which is saying that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree. Now in question number 2, number of sides were already given, but in question 3, number of sides you have to find when each exterior angle is given. So what is the formula? Number of sides is equals to 360 degree upon each exterior angle, right? Now each exterior angle is 24 degree. So number of sides is equals to 360 degree upon 24 degree, which is equals to 15. So the number of sides will be 15 when each exterior angle is 24 degree. Now we will move towards our next question of exercise 3.2. That is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Now it is very important question. Why? Because see children, till now you know the formula of how to find the number of sides when each exterior angle is given. But here the number of sides you have to find when the interior angle is given. So how you can find the exterior angle? It is simple. You know very well the formula, interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to what? 180 degree. Now interior angle is what? 165. Exterior angle you don't know. So equal to 180 degree. So 180 minus 165 is equals to 15 degree. So measure of each exterior angle will be equal to 15 degree. Now when you got the exterior angle, can you find the number of sides? Yes, it will be equal to 360 degree upon each exterior angle, 360 upon 15, which is equals to 24. Now other topics we will see in the next video. Okay children, thank you.